Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Niti Solomon. Thank you. Welcome. And today we're going to be talking about the mistakes of picking the vegetables. First of all, you have to realize the science is on your side. Epigenetics, right? The taste bud change weekly pretty much. Within 1 to 2 weeks, your taste bud change again and again. And I can prove this. They have several little kids and teenagers that told me that they couldn't believe now they eat more vegetable and they love it because your taste bud change. That is like no joke. I'm not tricking you. The trick is you have to make them tasty, because even though I love vegetables, guess what? If it doesn't taste good, I'm not gonna eat it. So having options is good. We like to have choices, right? And you can marinate them, spice them up, put in a pot roast to absorb meat flavor if someone's still eating meat. But guess what? There's a lot of vegan, vegetarian out there and they enjoy their vegetables. So it's not like a select few that can utilize that feature, right? But I do know that some people have the genetics thing about they taste vegetable a little more bitter than others. So you start with something sweeter, like sweet potato, that squash, pumpkin that have sweeter taste, and definitely season it well. You have to prepare it well and have options. Don't just have one thing, have like 2 to 3 things, so you don't feel like you have to twist your arm to eat it. And have the attitude of fun, right? Think about it as like nature nurture, and this is to enhance your future long-term fun. I'd never get the answer when I asked the kid, you want to live longer or shorter? Everybody say longer, right? And the study from University of Michigan that show one hot dog link shorten your life 36 minutes, and then eating vegetable prolong your life 48 minutes. So it's like bang for your buck, adding more in your account, your life force, your energy, which is very important to your lifespan, right? And then fun span as well. So highly recommend, and also make sure that you be consistent and enjoying that. Love to you all. Bye for now. Can't wait to see you in the next video.